There are a lot of people who face this blue screen problem, and it is also known as BSOD error. So there are some very common stop codes which you will see during the blue screen. So the first one is critical process died. It means that one of the system file, for example svchost.exe, is not working properly, and it can be either that it stopped automatically, or maybe you have stopped it from the task manager. And then there are some others. So the second one, which is very common, is system service exception. So it can be due to a system file, and maybe you have to fix it with reinstalling your windows. So there are some others as well. So how can you fix this? So there could be many reasons behind this. It can either be due to the software, or it can be due to the hardware as well. So we are going to check about the software at first. So in Windows 11 you can use the get help app and search for troubleshooting BSOD error here. And when you search, it will ask you for some questions, and it will suggest you some articles according to your answers. So it will ask you whether you have installed any update, or if you have changed any hardware, something like this. So you can answer these questions, and it will either recommend you any article, or it will ask you for the contact support option. So you can contact the Microsoft support as well to fix this problem. So last time when I faced this problem, I tried to contact the Microsoft support, and luckily one of the agent was live with me. So I'm going to show you here as well, so you can see. And he was trying to fix it. So you can use this get help as well. So I'm going to show you some commands now. So you can open the command prompt with administrator permissions, and then you have to run the first command. So the first command is sfc/scan now. So it is a system file checker. It checks about the system files if there is something missing, or if there is something corrupt. So it can take up to 10 to 15 minutes. So you have to wait until it completes. So there can be two options: either it is due to software, or it can be due to hardware as well. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about hardware as well. So it can take some time, so let's wait for this one as well. So when the first one is complete, you just need to run the second command, which is disk management. So disk management slash online space slash cleanup dash image, and then scan health. So it will check the health of the system image, and it will also look for the system files if there is something that can be fixed. So after this one is completed, it can also take about 10 to 15 minutes. After this one is completed, first you have to run the scan health, and after you run the scan health option, you have to restore the health, because if there is something to be restored, it will restore. So after this one is completed, I told you it can take up to 10 to 15 minutes. After this one is completed, we are going to run our third command, which is restore health. So let's wait a little bit until this one is completed. So if you like this video, you can hit the like and subscribe button. So now you can see here that it's almost about to complete. It's 96-97% completed, and now we have to run our third command, which is restore health. So we can use the same command. So you can press the up arrow key, and then you can fix this command at last. So our last command was scan health. So I'm going to press the up arrow key, and then you can delete the scan health, and you can put it restore. So we are going to restore our health now. It will restore the health of the system image. So then press enter, and it can also take 2 to 3 minutes. So it will not take that long, but it will still take 2 to 3 minutes. So after this one is completed, you can try to reboot your PC, and then observe it, and see if the blue screen error is coming now. So now let's talk about the hardware. So there can be a lot of things, like your HDD, maybe it is faulty, or your RAM modules can be faulty, or one of your card, like the Wi-Fi card or the Bluetooth interface, so one of them can be faulty. For example, you can look here that my SSD consumption was going to 100% when I was trying to copy or paste something in my PC or from my PC. So you can check your hardware as well. It can also cause the blue screen. I hope you have liked this video, and if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button as well, and I will meet you with a new one.